Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Binyabutum Kawe. I'm UX designer. I'm Google da thabak tawzari. Aina ngarang nahan thagatkhiba students ki series to motivation ki adu matungda aina hadakti personal viewers and personal problems natraga examples piraga moina thingnar khiba wabasingdo adisingdo lauraga have a one-on-one session explain those again khalakpaneba ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ I've got a lot of requests ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯣ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯂꯦꯠꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯃꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯜꯂꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯣꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯁꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯋꯔꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯇ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯗꯤꯜ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯋꯔꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯇ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯤꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯇꯦꯜ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯣꯔ ꯀꯩ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯜꯂꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯄꯤꯖꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ the place where I'm working right now has less women. However, adum left out feel tawe. Aduga comments on whatever we wear on a daily basis. Oh my god. Kanan tawnage hozigi matamse 21st century sida. I nangi se hek pa bakandego. Yam soundinge kaigino smain to isena. But nang problem in harm it is probably a reality. Aduga follow up the nang haisa hierarchy power misuse tawuzu dum tawna toina thingnai sometimes maze associate ne angang oi hai ko aduduna khandokpa dum yawe ai angang ni na khangjadabagi aingonda smain tawbirine na ko but yam tawsiladi work so appreciate tawraktre magi work se aduga misuse dum tawba yawi adur khang ngamdaba yawi nangi mingje ai A na tholage A I'm very sorry nang sigise workplace ta thengnarize hojiki matamsida thaina wai budi sigumase yam common oina arba yai but hojiki matamsida sigumase I don't think it's very common nangi workplace to khara toxic oi ko yam sengna hairabada aduna workplace aina nang oiram tardi yam thuna workplace change tawna hotnagani because there's a lot of things that I don't want to tolerate workplace ki sigumba toxicity say this is something I do not want to tolerate but akwai je mai thiraga chengadaba mi nate asengbada hana aina advice tawgadaba oi tarde nangje nangonda negative attitude utliba adudagi nangbu group to da yahondana exclude tawriba jingdo adugi reason je kaino na yengjebako nang haise maybe reason could be nangi sil charibdudasu comment tawre hai aduna oirangadra natraga nangi work se up to the mark oidena khanbagi oirangadra or one thing nangna realize tawdaba mana nangse khara introverted oibra aduduna group conversation work meeting gathering the khara yaudabra aduduna moina khalsuna hey she doesn't want to participate maze khoiga group oina puning day that's why you are getting excluded ado aina ahama thabak to horpa kan so is introvert oyebako aduduna yam kana participate tawde but aigi group mates colleagues sing they were very kind aduduna tamna office to is wari chanaba punba khutpa tawminai ko aduduna that's how I opened up adu the other thing is aina second issue address tawni is sinang na thandana face toira natraga mi ani home suraba noi at least internally sigumba je discuss tawraga hoi aiju sigumba face tawe hoi aiju left out tawbihena ndu look for patterns ko nangje nangna thanda oira natraga mi ani home suira nangna thanda oiragadi try and look inside of yourself first hoi mi myamna soyak poirmasu yai but first things first yam responsible oiba kanoma oina corporate worker ama oina let's try and see what is wrong with ourselves first ko participate tawdaba group discussion gumba natraga lunch moiga chaminabadabaga thodi try once or twice a week nang chalaga moiga group nang exclude tawbi haibuduga natraga moiga entire ꯅꯪꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ 10ꯃꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯊꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏ 3-4 ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯇꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯒꯤꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯗ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯇꯨꯗ try and have a first interaction or like nangi side initiative khar tawbiyo hi hello haibgumba try and make friends ko nang always work ki exchange ta nataba you give me this file I'll give you this work adu nataba ko try and get to know these people like each one mi loimak se human ama oibena if you get to understand moigi preference kaino aduga moigi kya haitare moigi group sigi main kya haitare what keeps them together, right? Maybe they watch movies together, maybe they read the same kind of books adu yengo see if there is something that you can do that you want that so that you can get included adu natana karigumba if you have tried everything ko adu nothing works then maybe stop looking for validation from office sige aina yamna thengna gyan tare ko maybe you're doing great work adu nang appreciation phangdaba adugumba jingdudi ko maybe try and do something on your own so that you get that validation and say happiness to adu phangnabagi damakta and aina yam address tawninga amadi nangi dressing sense the comment or haise kaino yam khangninge ko if you get a chance to reply back to me on Instagram please do that I yamna I feel very irritated nangi kaitare dressing sense to the spectrum of comments lakpe ay ko hey you're looking great adu madi oiramaroi nang nangi the comment lai ai tunadi aduna havidi either nangi dressing sense doesn't match the vibe of the office shidadi akoi kitang so compromised or ni unless you're like in a very artistic discipline where everybody just wears in really quirky different kind of ways try and match the vibe office amagi usually dress code laibaga semi formal oiramba yai formal oiramba yai if you belong in a like if your office is a very formal kind of a place where everybody dresses up very formally aduga nangna kitang semi formal oina gumba chaluraga tardi then they're trying to point out that you know that doesn't match the vibe that's not the usual way the office is supposed to operate like it or not this is something that always happens work from homes in a for a very long time nobody is really looking at your clothes right however physically present if that office has a formal dressing code or like a specific dressing code try and follow that so moigi comment say spectrum the lay vibe match tawdi haibama or something that I really hope you're not facing this okay nang v-neck oh it's very revealing or like if you're wearing like a nice skirt or you know work appropriate clothes but even then you're getting comments you know like that those kinds of really unwanted comments adumadi I haige tolerate tawgano nachem oina taro ko simade tolerate tawgano just head over to the HR it is not worth the headache don't have to fight it if you're getting inappropriate work comments like that on your clothing at work there's some things you should not tolerate HR I already hire any ko maybe you can warn them hey I don't appreciate I do taning de no I hire kanona ko once or twice warned or more and if that just keeps going on you shouldn't tolerate nang yam tina mentally affect or ni ko nang se thok to uzunga moy aduna du har pa oh my god hare du oh my god I kai do no oh my god nang next day office sat pa yaroi nang kai shela jakani dum khallarni adu nangi thabak duri tobunga maroi ko so the certain things you shouldn't tolerate and inappropriate comments on your clothes at the workplace is one of them please aduduna tawgano tolerate tawgano escalate tawro nangi either trusted boss manager gum oigira or HR department am laigira adura taw I this is very unfortunate I cannot even believe you have to face this but please don't nang adu thupsalaga nang na khangran bagi mathau sunglai leite ko so please I'm telling you don't tolerate this aduna tana office tanangi work to appreciate tawdi haragadi try and have a very clear conversation maybe they do or maybe they never thought maybe you have a new manager aduduna they are a new manager, they don't know that they're supposed to do these things. Adiduna, it's your job as a good individual contributor. I see Adiduna call out though, hey, I did this great work. I feel like some appreciation. Nang yamdi कहता ऑफिस की दी खर से डिप्लोमेटिक ओइना लेगदबनिना नंग कहता don't be very confrontational but be very clear and sincere and honest. Adiduna ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ honesty sincerity ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒꯁꯨ they might appreciate it a lot better. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯣ, hey, it would have been great if I get some sort of appreciation here. I know so and so got appreciation for that. Just your words matter a lot. ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ? I really like it when you appreciate ꯀ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕꯀꯣ. ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ let's first assume the fact that people are all good. ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯐꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ at least in this kind of matter, nangi official matter dadi, other than the clothes thing, aduduna hire yengo, even if then you still don't see any improvement, and nangi last resort oina, maybe it's time to look out for a better opportunity. At least try these couple of steps before andu loraga nang yengo ko. I hope this helps you, Mr. A. Ay nangi ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ, ꯕꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯣꯟꯚꯔꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯁꯦ. ꯑꯣꯄꯟ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯩꯀꯣ. ꯀꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯗꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯥꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯥꯏꯜꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯡꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯝꯒꯦ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ, ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ. ꯈꯔ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ. ꯑꯦꯟ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ, ꯎꯠꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ I will never reveal that, trust me. So yeah, see ya in the next one.